Welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I have a huge haul from Dollar Tree that I have been collecting over the several weeks prior to my move, and just want to share some new items that I found at different Dollar Trees down here in North Carolina. So if you're new to the channel, thank you. And if you're not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a lovely comment. So let's get into it. So I found these pretty, now this was leaking, so this is the Cotton Candy Unicorn scented hand soap, and I got it in the blue, and I found it in the pink. And these are going to go great in the guest bathroom for when the girls get here. So I thought that was cute because I'm doing their theme in their bedroom, unicorns and mermaids. And this is all bent up, but I found these pretty wall decorations, and they have the mermaid on it, front and back. So I'm gonna let the girls decorate their wall. And then I found this sign that says Hope Together, and it has like rainbows on it. So I thought that was pretty cute for the girls. And then these are so hard to find. So these are the men's athletic socks. You get 3 pairs, size 6 to 12. And these are really good socks. They wash up good. So I got 3 packs of those. They're on my feet. I found these pretty mermaid plates for the girls. And then they have the matching napkins. We're sitting out on the patio. They could put like their little snacks or something on it. I thought that would be cute to go with the theme. And I'm a big fan of dreaming. I found the sign Dream for the girls, and we're gonna hang that up on the wall because I always want them to dream of the impossible. And I found the pretty pink bowl, but from moving it got cracked, so I'm gonna have to go back to get another one. But I thought this was really nice to go with the theme of the mermaids. Have their snacks in there, and then they can just grab it and put it on their bowl while they're outside. So I do have to go back and find another. I'm praying. I don't even know what Dollar Tree I was at. So moving on. And over a course of probably 2 weeks, I had been looking for the solar stake lights. These are so hard to find, and I know they're only $1. I've never bought them, so I got 10 of them. Every time I went, I would pick up 2, 3, you know, whatever they had available. I think I got 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So I have 10 of these, and I'm going to get these put outside tomorrow in front of the house, and I will do a video and give a review later on down the line to see how these hold up, and if they actually work, I'll do a night view because my property, I have 3 yards, and I just want to light up perhaps in the front, maybe put 5 when you come down the driveway, and then a couple outside in the patio. So, but I am still on the hunt. I probably need like 30 or 50 of them for the front of the house, but it takes time, you know. So I got them. And if you're on the hunt for doll toys for your children, like for the Barbies, I found the pet house. It comes with looks like dogs and cats. 4-piece, and these are $1. So I thought these would be cute once they get here and open up all their dolls this summer, because we usually have Christmas in July here, because sometimes the girls can't get down for Christmas. They had this little mini lounge for the dolls. Thought that was cute. And then I picked up 2 lawn chair sets to go with their pool for the dolls. I thought that would be adorable to sit outside. And for $1, they had a grill. Closes a little bit, but I may put some Velcro on it so they make pretend when they put the hamburgers on there. I make miniature foods, and I can put the hamburger hot dogs on, and I'll put a little Velcro, and then they can close it, and then the doll can open it up. But yeah, well, I may do a video of when we do that. So I got those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for the girls. Now let's move on to my organization part. All the fabulous containers and everything that I have been searching for and just, you know, putting in storage. So we'll start with these bins here. I actually have another one, but I can't find it right now. So I got 4 of the wire baskets. I thought these were really chic. These are gonna go nice in my new office, you know, for papers, bills, so forth. So I'll have these set up, and when I do that organization video, you'll see these. So I got those 3, but I actually bought 4. And then I found these white baskets. I got 4 of these, and I'm not sure where they're going at, but I picked them up. And then I found 4 in the gray, because I'm trying to go with the gray and white theme. They may go in the pantry, or they may go, you know, in my cabinets. But again, you'll see a video of these being set up. And you may have seen these already. They have these tall containers. These are really good, you know, for your spaghetti noodles. And then they have the blue lid that goes with them. I was thinking about spray painting the lid because I want my pantry, you know, to be all white. So I may spray paint it, I'm not sure yet, but these are out. Try to get to your Dollar Tree if you're into the organization for your pantry. So I picked up 4. Not sure if I needed 4, but I got them because I know they're hard to find. And I can just put them up, you know, in my garage, and if I come across something that's really tall, I'll have them. So I got 4 of these. Next, you're looking for the acrylic candy jar with the lid. They are out now. I had to call around to 3 different Dollar Trees to see if they had them. And when I got down there, she said she had 10, but when I got down there, she only had 5 left. So this is what it looks like. Go online to the Dollar Tree and get the SKU number, and, you know, do your search of the stores to see if they can find it. Now I actually got 1, 2, I bought 5 of them. So I have 5. I'm not going to take them out of the bag right now, but I did manage to get 5. Next, at another Dollar Tree, they had the white buckets that are out. So I only got 2 of these. I think these are gonna go outside my patio. So I found 2 of these. Goes that way. And these is what I've been looking for. Oh, it took me a while to get all these. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I bought 15 of these, $15 from the Dollar Tree. And these are gonna go good. I can either use these in my pantry, some type of system in the girls, if you watched the video when I did a transfer for their bookcase, these will go nice for all their dolls, maybe clothes, the shoes or whatever. But even though it's excessive, 15, I can use them underneath the bathroom sink as well. I can use them as organization. I can put my shoes in these. There's just so many things that you can use with this basket to organize. And you'll see how I incorporate these baskets along with these coming up. Next, I found these pretty 4x6 gold frames. I'll be able to, now that I have moved, not all the way though right now while this video is being filmed, I'll be able to display my grandchildren, my son when they were little, and family pictures with these in my entryway, my foyer. And I thought these were pretty cool. It's on the door hook. I got 2 of them. Now my intentions was to put one on my fence in the back where the pool's gonna be at, and then the girls can hang up their towels instead of just having them on the ground getting wet and dirty. So I'm gonna utilize one of these for the pool area, and this other one will go in my walk-in closet, like maybe for my scarves or belts, that sort of stuff. So these were at the Dollar Tree. This was a new find for me. I found those. And then I got 2 packs of weed barriers. These things are excellent, especially if you're laying down like a pool or sauna and you do not want the weeds to come up and maybe poke holes or whatever. I don't think the weeds are that strong, but you just don't want all of that, and it gives it a smooth walking surface under your area. So I did get 2 of these. And I'm just double checking. That's it. So that's all I have for today. I do have other Dollar Tree stuff that is still over in my fabulous storage. So once I find those items, I will come back and do another Dollar Tree Tuesday. So y'all take care, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in another video. Bye-bye.